tell us about this product, Social Pilot, that you are heading for, and what would be your suggestion to the students who are looking forward to make a career in product?
Sure. So Social Pilot is a SaaS product which helps agencies manage their social media accounts. And there are many more features around it, but what it does is simplifies the job of an agency social media manager to manage their clients' profiles on social media.
Okay.
We are 12,000 customers live, right, and doing quite well at it. That is social pilot. Students who want to get into product management, my advice is start understanding the technology, how it is shaping the world around you, and then start learning about the product management. Product management doesn't come first. What comes first is your understanding of the technology world itself, right, and how your profile fits into the world of technology. As soon as you understand these nuances around technology and your profile, then comes the product management. Product management is otherwise nothing but understanding what a customer's needs are.
Quickly, I am Khanjan Koteja. This is my journey that I have done my MBA from a quite a decent college, and then I tried to do stuff. I started my journey at analytics quotient. I moved to a company called Savari. At the same time, I was trying to create my startup called Quick. I failed at it. Then I moved to a company called Measure1. Then I had Social Pilot, heading their growth vertical. So social influence is this, and social influence doesn't mean social media influence, but in general, right? That you change your behavior, thought, or even feelings, right, to fit into with a group or the norms of society. So be wary of what you see on social media and how you perceive it about compare it to yourself. Yeah. Any guesses on how much time people spend on social media on an average? 2 hours 24 minutes. But this is the average. So this is one thing that I want you to kind of put in here. That whatever you read on social media, today whoever you are following, be very aware of it. As a student specifically, people abide by rules because fear of society. Frankly, tell me, would you break a red light if there was no fine, no one is watching you, and no one is going to question you? Would you break that or not? Very honest answer, okay? Right? So that's the thing that you guys are abiding with the law because of two things. One, obviously fear of that challan that you get. Second, because someone else will also come and tell you that you don't behave in the right way, right? Social media has an impact. It has impact on every damn thing that you can think of. So communication, entertainment, information access, and sharing. How do you leverage social media as a student? How do you start, right? So the first step is obviously choose right platforms. I'm sure you all know which platforms are useful for you. Step 2, network. Professional networking, participate in discussions, and ask for recommendations. What does this mean? Once you have the profile ready, right, start participating. You don't have to go and create content on day one, right? Someone has posted something which is relevant and you like it. Don't do ingenuine engagements. That doesn't work. Engage with your target audience, right? For example, you want to apply for certain company, right? Then engage with the employees of that company, right? That is exactly what LinkedIn is for. Now is the third part of it, right? The influence using content. Now this is the game that is being used across. So how do you go about it as a student? That's very important, right? Identify your goals. What do you want to be known for, right? Unless you know that, okay, what do you want out of social media? For example, I just want my name in the product management area, right? And I just started putting content out there last week, right? And it has given me some gains. Right? People have approached me for even jobs. They have offered me for consultancy work. People have offered me for just to help. But okay, can you help me with this product? I'm just starting up with this and I don't know how to go about it. So it can help, but I need to know what I want out of it. The biggest thing, deliverability. Now, for example, if you want recruiters to look at you, right? They are not going to look at you if you just put a news link out there, right? They are going to look at you if you deliver somewhere. Consistency, I'm sure everyone has said this to you. But yeah, it matters, right? Choose a frequency that you can cope up with. You don't have to put things out there every day. Take weekly, take bi-weekly or monthly. Authenticity is the biggest play. You copying someone will not work, and that's why by this what I mean is able to read, understand, absorb. You cannot write on your own. You cannot write without absorb. If you do that, you will spit out something which is 10 more people have already said.